Hi everyone. So in this video, we will be looking at wages. So basically in this section, we're going to talk about, money that you would earn or persons earn in different jobs, right? Now, many of you probably had a job before at some point in time, probably have a part-time job right now, right? Some of you probably never worked at all. That's all right. But in this section, we're gonna look at, when you get paid and you work overtime and so on, you need to make sure that you're being paid the correct amount, right? And hopefully in this section you learn how to deal with money that you earn a little bit better, right? And when sometimes like in for Christmas time in particular, when persons work in groceries and so on, there's so many people going to the groceries around Christmas time. So some persons get paid overtime, meaning that if you regularly work 10 hours a week and during Christmas time you start working 5 hours extra or 2 hours overtime or 10 hours overtime, right? You get paid for every hour that you work overtime. Sometimes you are paid 1.5 times. Sometimes you are paid 2 times, or we call this double time, or sometimes you're even paid 3 times, and we call this triple time. It all depends on the company who you work for, right? So let's look at some questions to make this a little bit clearer. So here we have a question. A grocery pays a basic wage of $900 for a 40-hour week. So a basic wage of $900 for a 40-hour week. Overtime is paid at a time and a half. So part one, we want to calculate the basic hourly rate. So basically hourly rate, meaning they want to find out how much you're getting paid per hour. Part two, you want to find out the overtime rate. And then we will look at part B, which says an employee worked 20 hours overtime in a certain week. Calculate the employee's overtime earnings for the week, the employee's total earnings for the week. And then part C, another employee earned $1,305 in a particular week. How many hours overtime did she work? So let's tackle part A1 first. So first we need to remember the basic wage for a 40-hour week is $900, meaning that you work 40 hours for the week and you get $900. Part A1, we want to find out the basic hourly rate. How much you get paid for 1 hour. So we know that 40 hours, you get $900. So 1 hour, you would get $22.50. So the basic hourly rate is $22.50, meaning every 1 hour, you're getting $22.50. Now, part two, you want to calculate the overtime rate. Now, in the question, it says that overtime is paid at a time and a half. So we need to calculate the overtime rate. We were told that overtime is paid at a time and a half. Therefore, overtime means time and a half means 1.5 times the basic hourly rate. And that is basically, you could put 1.5, so 1.5 by 22.50, because that's the basic hourly rate. Or you can say 1.5, doesn't matter how you write the 1.5 by the basic hourly rate. Again, you could use a calculator and you get $33.75. So basically, overtime, for every overtime hour, you're getting $33.75. Cool. Now, they went on to say, an employee worked 20 hours overtime in a certain week. Calculate the overtime earnings and then the total earnings for the week. Now, if an employee works 20 hours overtime, we know that 1 hour for every 1 hour overtime, you get $33.75. That's on the part before. So therefore, to calculate if he works 20 hours overtime, it will be that $33.75 times the 20 hours overtime. So for 20 hours overtime, he's going to get $675. Again, in these questions, you put yourself in the situation and really try to analyze and understand what the question is asking and what information they're giving you, right? So we just calculated how much money he will get for 20 hours overtime. Now they want to calculate the employee's total earnings for the week. The total earnings for the week, think about it. You work in a regular week, 40-hour week, plus 20 hours overtime. That means you're getting a regular pay plus 20 hours overtime, right? So the total earnings for the week is the basic wage for the week plus the overtime, right? So now the basic wage for the week is the $900, and the amount of money he gets for the overtime is the $675. So the total earnings for the week is $1,575, right? So remember, his total earnings would be his basic wage for the week plus his overtime money that he's going to get, and he works 20 hours overtime, right? And now we can look at part C. Another employee earned $1,305 in a particular week. How many hours of overtime did she work? So let's see if we can tackle this one. So now, let's just change the color here. So another employee earned this amount, right, in a particular week. This means that the employee got her basic wage. She got her basic wage plus overtime. How do we know that? How do we know if she got her basic wage plus overtime? Because everyone's basic wage is $900 for a 40-hour week. So anything more than $900 is overtime, right? So first we need to calculate the number. So we need to calculate the number of hours of overtime she worked. So firstly, let's calculate the number of hours she got for overtime. And as I said, her total earnings for that week would be her basic wage for the week plus overtime. Now, we know that her total earnings for the week is $1,305 because the question told us that. And we also know her basic wage for the week is $900 because for a 40-hour week, basic weekly wage is $900. So for the total earnings is the basic wage for the week plus the overtime. So that's the total earnings, which is $1,305. That is equal to the basic wage plus the overtime. And then, therefore, the overtime will be the total earnings, take away the basic wage. So this here is the amount for overtime. $405 she made overtime. So therefore, the amount of hours she worked overtime would be her total overtime money earned divided by the hourly overtime rate. So that's $405 divided by how much she gets for 1 hour overtime. So 405 divided by $33.75. So she worked 12 hours overtime. Again, you can pause, replay this video until you understand, but make sure you really understand and read what the question is asking, right? So you could start, when you reach before we even started the answers, pause and look at the question. You could write it down and try it and then look at the answer, right? So let's look at this other question here. The basic wage earned by a truck driver for a 40-hour week. So for a 40-hour week, the truck driver gets $560. Calculate his hourly rate. So you could do it piece by piece if you want. So his hourly rate, 40 hours, he gets $560. So for 1 hour, remember you have to divide when you find it for one. So 560 divided by 40, therefore he's paid $14 per hour. That's his hourly rate. Good. Now let's look at the second part now. For overtime work, the truck is paid 1.5 times. Now we just learned that 1.5 times mean, now he's paid 1.5 times the basic hourly rate. So 1.5 times is just as it says. So 1 hour overtime is 1.5, 1.5 times that hourly rate. So 1.5 times 14, he gets $21. So every 1 hour overtime, he gets $21. Good. Now we need to calculate his overtime wage for 10 hours overtime. So if 1 hour overtime is $21 and 10 hours overtime is 10 by 21, which is $210. Pretty simple so far. And now let's just look at the last piece. Calculate the total wages earned by the truck for a 55-hour week. Now let's just remember his normal week is 40 hours. So if he works a 55-hour week, he works some hours overtime. So we need to calculate the total wages earned by the truck driver for a 55-hour week. we are told that he works 40 for 40-hour week, right? That's what first line I think in the question. That means that any hours added to that 40-hour week is overtime, right? So if you work 55 hours in this week, then his total hours is 55 hours for that week, but his regular hours is 40 hours. So then anything extra, remember, is overtime. So 55 take away 40, he worked 15 hours overtime, right? So now we need to find out his total wages. If he works 15 hours overtime, let's find out how much money that 15 hours overtime given him. So 1 hour overtime is $21. So $15 overtime is 15 by 21, $315. Now we can calculate his total earnings. His total earnings for the week would be the basic wage for the week plus overtime. And they told us already in the first line, the basic wage for the week is $560. And his overtime is $315. So his total wage for the week is $875. Now let's look at this last question together. Again, you could pause, look at the question, take it on, try it, and then press play when you're ready to get the answer. A typist is paid a basic wage of $22.50 per hour for a 40-hour week. So part one, they want to calculate the typist's basic weekly wage. So again, for part one, they told us for 1 hour, she gets $22.50, right? Because it said a wage of $22.50 per hour for a 40-hour week. So then her wage for the week will be for 40 hours will be $22.50 times 40. And as I said before, you could use a calculator for these things, right? So for 40 hours that week, she gets $900. That's her basic weekly wage, right? Basic weekly wage. Now, overtime is paid at 1.5 times the basic hourly rate. So, calculate the overtime wage for 1 hour. So 1 hour overtime, it said it's paid at 1.5 times, right? So that's again 1.5 times that basic hourly rate. Just like what we were doing before, right? So 1.5 times $22.50, and that would be 75 cents for 1 hour overtime. Good. And then to earn some extra money, so we are here now, to earn some extra money, the typist decided to work overtime. The wage she would earn overtime if she works for a total of 50, when I calculate the wage, she would work overtime if she work a total of 52 hours. So she work 52 hours, right? 52 hours, that would be 40 hours plus 12 hours overtime, right? So therefore that would be what? 40 hours is she gets $900, and for 12 hours overtime, remember 1 hour is $33.75. So for 12 hours overtime will be $33.75. Again, you could have worked that out separately. So let's just simplify everything now. So that's actually $900 plus 405, and that is, let's add them up, $1,305, right? Now realizing numbers look very similar to the last question, right? So yes. And the last piece now, if she wants to earn $1,440, right? Remember her basic wage. If she wants to be her total earnings, that will be her basic weekly wage, right? So that would be, her overtime would then be what? You have to take away $1,440, take away $900, right? So let's work that out. So I just went ahead and subtracted and finished out. So her overtime money is the amount she made for the week, which is $1,440. Take away the $900, you get $540. So the number of overtime hours will be that $540. Take away how much she gets per hour for overtime, and then we get 16 hours, right?